1, 2, 3!
Good job, Marty. Here, have some seed.
What are you doing? Script says pecs.
So young to have sworn off men already.
Indeed I have, Father. My little experience of gentlemen has taught me to find them quite beastly. Father? Would you carve the rump?
And steadfast tonight!
Churchill would never get caught with his trousers down like this.
This one's freezing.
Thighs. What am I...
Sorry, we were just refitting the trousers.
Just stand away from the window!
Mine need refitting too.
Get off! Just get off!
Chris, that tone is exactly why everyone said you should play Hitler.
Get out!
Because being so small, they've only one feeling at a time.
It's blown off our trousers! Come, we shall... Pretty. Where be my man penis? 'Tis vanished.
Churchill would never get caught with his trousers down like this.
I'd have to tell
Just lending them mine.
Peter, I'm coming!
Get me down!
Peter, wait for me!
Neverland! Here we come!
Will now be healed at last, this wicked truth revealed. Norman Nord, the nudist lord!
What's going on, Carmine?
Mary, the cab's here. We shall be late. Continue.
Guard! Take him away.
Oh.
Hey! Oh, it's blown off my trouser! Oh, how embarrassing! Oh, it's embarrassing.
What the hell are you doing?
Flies down.
I'll have to give you a knighthood.
Thank you.